It has been a few years since Samsung launched its first flip phone, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The smartphone has dominated the foldable smartphone industry since its launch, and there is no competition from the brand. But that seems to be changing now with the arrival of the OPPO Find N2 Flip, as the newly launched smartphone has a bigger battery and it lights up at a lower price compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 interior. Competition between brands in the mobile industry is very common, as they mainly try to show their products are better than their competitors. Well, that's exactly what OPPO is trying to do these days. OPPO posted a video on Twitter comparing the charging speed of the latest OPPO Find N2 Flip with other flip phones. According to our speculation, this other flip phone referred to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. On that video, OPPO claims that the Find N2 Flip has faster charging technology than the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. It can be seen that the smartphone is compared to the competition with 30% charge. In just 12 minutes, OPPO Find N2 Flip was charged 30% while Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 was only charged 22%. As we all know, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is equipped with a 3700 mAh battery which supports 25W fast charging, while OPPO Find N2 Flip is equipped with a slightly larger battery of 4300 mAh which supports 44W SuperVOOC fast charging. This comparison certainly highlights the advantages of OPPO Find N2 Flip over the Samsung. This is not the first time that OPPO has compared its new flip smartphone with Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Earlier, OPPO also had a video where both phones were folded 216,000 times, after which Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 had creases while OPPO Find N2 Flip was undamaged. The OPPO Find N2 Flip is undoubtedly a strong competitor to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 due to its relatively low price, long battery life and excellent display.